Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Today we're going to have a look at the newer bedroom and bathroom privacy locks and how to open them. You used to be able to open them with a bobby pin or a paper clip or even the inside of a pen, but the newer ones won't open that way. Let me show you what you need now. They look the same with the hole in the middle. It's just that nothing happens when you try and open it with the old method. Now, when the lock was installed, it likely came with a tool that looked something like this. If you installed the lock, it's probably in your junk drawer or you threw it away because you thought it was something for the installation. If a builder or a contractor installed it, it's likely gone, unless you have the original box somewhere. Now you can order these keys on Amazon. They are good to have on hand. I'll add a link below in the description, but if you need to get into that room right now, see if you can find a tool like this one. I got this tiny flat screwdriver from the dollar store and it works just fine. So these are the Weiser Belmont locking door levers. So what you're going to do is insert that flat head tool into the hole until it bumps into the lock and give it a quarter turn to the left. You'll feel when it finds the slot that it needs to fit into, and that should do the trick. Pretty much all the major brands of door handles have switched from the old push the hole with the pin to this small flat privacy key release system. I hope I was able to help you out today. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for more great videos. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next.